I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Terraria local multiplayer on PlayStation 4. First, power on your PlayStation 4 and launch the Terraria game. Ensure your primary controller is active. Next, connect the second PlayStation 4 controller to the console. Once both controllers are recognized, navigate to the main menu and select the multiplayer option. This is the essential first step to setting up your shared adventure, allowing two players to enjoy the game together on one screen. After the first player has selected multiplayer, they will choose to either create a new world or load an existing one. Once the world is loaded and the first player is in control, the second player should press the Options button on their connected controller. This action will prompt them to select an existing character or create a brand new one. Upon selection, the second player will seamlessly join the game, initiating the split-screen experience. In local multiplayer, both players share the same screen, which dynamically splits when characters move too far apart. You will each manage your own character's inventory, equipment, and health. Effective communication is key for resource sharing and strategic planning. Work together to mine valuable ores, construct impressive bases, and overcome the many formidable enemies and bosses that Terraria presents. It is a truly collaborative experience. To maximize your enjoyment, always communicate with your co-op partner. Discuss resource allocation, potential dangers, and shared objectives. Try to stay within a reasonable distance of each other to prevent the screen from splitting too frequently, which can sometimes be disorienting. Planning your mining expeditions, boss fights, and building projects together will make your Terraria journey much more efficient and incredibly fun for both players.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.